It's really punchy, dude.
Oh yeah, not bad for a truck off demo.
Truck off demo? Oh yeah, dude. Battery power.
Oh yeah.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. So, what are these JO? What levels?
That's JOW3s.
Okay. And a clamshell, is that what they call it?
Clamshell,
Okay.
yeah. Old school 90s clamshell.
Clamshell. So it's considered a fourth order though.
Now it is.
Yeah. And you were a center port or no loading wall. Now you have like a loading wall,
Yeah,
or
moved it out. Tried to turn it to a fourth order, see if we get any gains out of it.
okay. Do you think you gained
About a half a dB.
half a dB?
Yeah, not too bad.
Awesome.
You loud pussy shit. We pass pussy round shit, but you ain't fam, so what is shit? You cuff yours and shit. Listen, stay forever. Yeah, that's that shit no one ever said. Say that shit that I mean it. She calls me and scream that I'm only fucking if it's you lying pussy. We pass pussy around. Shit, but you ain't fam, so what is shit? You cuff yours and shit. Shit no one ever said.
You know, if I say something, I mean it. These examples. Pussy round, shit, but you ain't fam, so what is that shit? You cuff yours and that shit. Listen, I'm that shit no one ever said.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.